Struggling with emails landing in spam? This video guides you through setting up email warmup in Clodura.AI to improve your sender reputation and ensure better inbox deliverability for your campaigns. Learn how to add a mailbox and configure its warmup settings. Click the Deliverability icon in the left navigation. Next, click Email Warmup to access the dedicated page and begin configuring your mailboxes. Click the blue Add Mailbox button to set up your email warmup account. Scroll down to view the daily warmup limit settings. Set the starting volume to 0 so the campaign begins with no initial warmup emails and scales up according to your ramp settings. Click the Start Warmup button to initiate the Mailbox Warmup process and deduct the necessary credits. Warmup connected successfully. The mailbox entry is highlighted, confirming its active warmup. Click the three-dot overflow menu to access additional options for managing your mailbox, such as settings or stopping the warmup. To view detailed warmup performance and statistics, click the Mailbox entry. You have now successfully configured and managed your email warmup settings in Clodura.AI. Apply these steps to enhance your email deliverability and achieve better engagement for your outreach efforts.